Bells ringing out from not just one but many churches locally, uniting those of similar belief in a common cause. Church bells rang out on this bright day here in the Twin Tiers to commemorate those who lost their lives in religious targeted attacks. The chimes sounded from Park Church in Elmira, the ones you just heard. Our Corning Bureau Chief Nikita Ramos is now live in Corning with more on this story. Good evening, Nikita.
Yes, good evening, Zach. It was a local display to stand in solidarity against the tragedies across the world impacting people of faith. From the 253 lives in Sri Lanka to the 51 in Christchurch, 1 in Poway, these recent attacks against places of worship also joined the tragic fire that consumed large portions of the Notre Dame Cathedral a number of weeks ago. Park Church and Elmira ringing their bells 10 times, one for each century the cathedral has stood for. We caught up with one person who says this signifies a meaningful tribute to the historical Parisian landmark.
It was just a beautiful sound on a beautiful day and really made you pause and reflect about the beauty of the day. Obviously people from all around the world who have been there to see it. I've never seen it, but what a beautiful landmark and what a nice way to honor that church.
It's a sign of solidarity not only for Notre Dame, but for the lives lost in recent attacks in places of worship. Now, Park Church chimed their bells at 12:40 this afternoon, and this is around the same time when the flames broke out in Paris nearly a month ago. Reporting live in our Corning Bureau, Nikita Ramos, 18 News.